Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Henna Art by Bia. Today, I'll be sharing beautiful and easy Mehndi designs that are perfect for any occasion. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these designs are simple, elegant, and quick to apply. Let's get started. Segment 1. Simple Floral Mehndi Design. Let's start with a simple floral Mehndi design. This pattern features delicate flowers and leaves, creating a soft and elegant look. It's perfect for casual gatherings and daily wear. Segment 2. Arabic Mehndi Pattern. If you love graceful patterns, you'll love this Arabic Mehndi design. With bold strokes, curved lines, and minimal shading, it gives a stylish and trendy look, making it ideal for both festive and casual events. Segment 3. Bracelet-style Mehndi design. For a modern touch, try this bracelet-style Mehndi design. It features intricate bands and chains, giving the illusion of jewelry on your hands. Perfect for those who love stylish yet easy designs. Segment 4. Mandala Mehndi Pattern. Mandalas are timeless. This Mandala Mehndi design is all about symmetry and precision. With a circular floral pattern at the center, it's an elegant and traditional choice that looks stunning on any hand. Segment 5. Finger Mehndi Design. If you're short on time, try this Finger Mehndi design. It focuses on decorating the fingers with tiny dots, lines, and swirls, giving a chic and delicate touch. Perfect for beginners. Which beautiful and easy Mehndi design was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Henna Art by Bia for more amazing Mehndi tutorials. See you in the next video.